Well, everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan from the IELTS Pal. Once again, hope everybody is doing pretty well. Today, my video is about the Cambridge A-levels and O-levels students who are about to take the English papers, the English examination this year, means the coming years in 2024. Okay, so many of the students have been seen to having a lot of problems in their writing part, when specifically when they're writing their essays. No matter you're writing essays, no matter you're writing informal letters or a formal letters, usually it's an informal letters, most of the times. So you need to focus some of the most important materials, some of the most important components. Okay, so if you really want to excel in your writing part, so the basic thing that you need to do is to improve your vocabularies, because in the writing part, you know that once you have used the vocabulary, you cannot use it again and again. Okay, you cannot use the same vocabularies again and again. So it is strongly recommended to memorize more than like two or three vocabulary for the same meaning. For example, if I speak the word, if I write the word contemporary, then later I need to write the word latest, then later I need to write the word you can say modern, right? So these are some of the things that you need to be very much careful about. Okay, you need to use the vocabularies, you need to use the transition words, because the transition words makes your writing, or takes your writing, I would rather say, that takes your writing into the next level. Okay, so the transition words are quite important. You need to memorize them along with the vocabularies. And obviously, last but not the least, is the grammar. Grammar is the most important thing that you need to be focused, that your study need to be focused a lot. Okay, so this is what you need to do. There are a few things. I will see you with my next video, with my detailed next video soon, with some of the other tips related to the IELTS, Cambridge A levels and O levels writing parts. Okay, students, till then, take care. Bye bye.